Welcome to Pixellab Graphics Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime we drop a video like this. And please drop your comment on the comment section and also like this video. Let's get into today's tutorial. First, I'm going to hide my logo. Now I'll set my page size to the size of thumbnail. Go to image size, click on this arrow, and I will select YouTube thumbnails. Press OK. Now this is the size of YouTube thumbnail, and I will add color. I will use gradients. I think this color is okay. I'll press yes. Now I'll add my image. See, I'll use this. Press OK. I think it's okay like this. I'll lock the image and I'll add text. Let's add text. Edit text. Blending. Then I'll press OK. Increase the size. And I'll change the font style. In order to beautify it, change the font style. For my font, let me see my recent font. I think I will go to, let's get something nice. Let's look for a nice font. I think I'll go with this. Press OK. Place this here. Get another font. Text. I bring it down here. The text. Type images. This is okay. Use this. Now we'll go to shadow, enable shadow, keyboard, and I'll blow the radius a bit. That's okay. Do the same thing to this also. Shadow, enable this, and blow the radius a little. Okay, I'm comfortable with my text. It's okay like this. I'll get Pixellab logo. Did you see it? Let's place it here. No. Did you see it a bit? Place it here. Okay. Add another text. If I take graphics, academy, change everything, cover, press OK, place it here. Now change the font style. Look for something nice. Then for something nice, okay, we'll go with this. Place it here. Sorry. Alright, now get a YouTube logo. Sorry, got it here. Okay, get this logo. It's okay. Reduce it. Yeah. And I'll get another icon, which is the WhatsApp icon. Reduce it. Use it by zoom. Let me zoom it a bit so I can reduce this to the size. Now the next thing I want to add is my number, text, bring it here, edit text, write a number, okay, reduce it, place it here, then change the font style. It's okay. Use it a bit. Place it here. Oh, let's go back now. This is one of the ways to design a simple YouTube thumbnails. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video.